All right, so in this example, we have some parallax animation here. So we see that when we scroll down, the elements move at a different speed up and down. Like these two move up faster, this one even faster. This one also moves up, but this one moves down. Now, I'm not going to focus on this scaling animation. You can see that in another video. We're just going to be focusing on the fact that these elements are moving up and down. Now let's go into the project. Here we have this exact project, and if I go to works over here, we see all these animations. I'm just going to get rid of them. Actually, let's get rid of the whole animation itself. Delete. There we go. Right? So now if we save, preview, you see nothing happens here. They just scroll as if there were no animations, because there are no animations now attached to it beyond the scaling animation, right? Now, to make this work, we want the works section here. We want to create an animation while scrolling. There we go. And we want it to start at about, let's go at about 8%. And we want it to end at also 80%. It will start at 80% from the top. That's when the animation will start, and it will end at 80% from the bottom. Now we have that set up to the works section, right? So as we scroll down here, it's going to start, and then it will stop once we get to 80% from the bottom. Now we have work 1, this is this art piece, work 2, work 3, and work 4. This is work 3 and work 4. And we have this works section selected in the animation. So again, I can go ahead and click all these. This is not going to change. This user interface is only going to change once we get out of these animation by using this arrow. So we're still using the works section as a trigger, right? And now we're going to add the properties. Now we want to add them to work 1. So we're going to say move, and let's say we want it to move vertically 200 down. Then we're going to go with works 2. For works 2, we're going to say we want it to move minus 400. Now for works 3, we're going to go with, let's say, move minus 100, because we want it to move up. And then work 4, we're also going to move it up, so we want minus, and let's go with 600. There we go, minus 600. And that is about it. Now there's one more thing. There's this smoothing effect here, and it basically means that when you stop scrolling, what happens when you stop scrolling? If you have 0, well, the specific elements just stop in the place where your mouse stops, almost instantaneously. If you have more of a smoothing effect, when you stop moving your mouse, the elements will still be moving a little, giving that kind of smoothing effect. Now let's see how that works. So we already set these up, so these are going to be moving once we're scrolling up or down the page. And now let's go to 0. There you go. All right, and let's give it a preview. All right, so you see now with that 0, you see the mouse basically, the animation basically stops almost the moment you stop scrolling. Now let's go back again here, and let's change this to, for example, 5, right? Let's click save, preview, and here we go. You see we stop scrolling, but the animation is still moving a bit. And that's how you can create your parallax animation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.